The world laughed at Pakistan's low-budget army until they crushed a giant in hours. What just happened has stunned even their biggest critics. This isn't just a victory, it's a message. Pakistan just flipped the script on South Asia's balance of power, and no one saw it coming. Once mocked and doubted, the Pakistan Armed Forces, yes, Army, Navy and Air Force combined, have just pulled off a shocking military triumph that has left the region speechless. For decades, Pakistan's military faced criticism, political heat, and social media bashing. But with this single stunning victory, they've silenced the noise and turned the nation's doubt into roaring pride. From Karachi to Khyber, chants of Pakistan Zindabad are shaking the air. Even critics from political parties like PTI are now joining the praise, with overseas Pakistanis calling this a defining moment. Streets are filled with celebrations, roses are being showered on soldiers, and public events are echoing with national pride. And it's not just the people. The world is watching. From Washington to Riyadh, and even inside India, analysts are stunned. Indian media is reluctantly admitting Pakistan's military outperformed and outclassed their own. The real shocker? This wasn't a war of numbers. It was a war of skill. Despite limited resources, Pakistan's military showcased elite strategy and rapid dominance, delivering a humiliation so brutal, India might think twice before trying anything again. The message is clear. Underestimate Pakistan's military at your own risk. From stealth to strategy, they've proven they're not just ready, they're built for the moment. Pakistan didn't just win a battle, they reset the narrative. And the world is finally paying attention.